Okay, so here's the duck again. This morning I have been putting all of the electronics on it. So I've got my elevator hooked up there, my two ailerons, and I've been doing them with the actual screws and back plates, as you can see, like that. So it's very, very secure on there. So then we'll go to this side real quick, and it's very big. So what I've done here is, it's a tangle and mess of wires, but I'll kind of run through it. On this airplane, I wanted to have differential thrust, so one turns on while the other one's slow, so I can turn it easy since I have that tail wheel that's not steerable. And then I wanted flaperons, so here's kind of how I wired it, and I'll have more videos explaining how to do this whole wiring later. But I used a DX7 with an AR6100E, and I did all of that. So here's kind of how it goes. What you do is you have two motors running their ESCs in together like that into a Y harness for one battery, and then what you do is you take them in and you plug one of them into your rudder switch and one to your throttle switch, and then you mix that on your computer radio. And you can find how to mix it on RC groups. Just look up differential thrust on RC airplane, or how to set up differential thrust on RC airplane into the Google search, and it'll show it. And then for flaperons, I just brought both of them in, had one of them go to the auxiliary one and one to the aileron, and did that, and then just had an extension come back from the elevator. So that's all of the electronics on the whole entire airplane. So I'm getting very close to being done with the duck, but it's not quite because I still have to put all this on the fuselage, glue it together, and all that. So it'll be very shortly that this thing is flying, but that is build update video number 3 now. Very nice.